echi God bondo fodo kun Chineken. I want you to watch this video.
With the clipper called shaving big.
Shaving big.
Well, you were mother, where's the wine?
No, mba. I'm a business. I'm in nail tech.
Lola didn't marry before.
No, mba.
Okay, that's with your husband. It's a lot on our.
Mba.
Pagodendo. No leki una.
6.
Aguma wada.
Last month.
Umukole no mwanyole.
Umuka abo.
When we are about before, no one negative them or one day, negative or one them packet.
Mba.
Oboyara about HDaka, one at your papa, Oboye to time over.
Mba.
When I goof that.
Mba.
KO. When I goof on Lulu.
Mba. Came my wine. Okay.
Get a wine your melee here before. Get a wine your melee here. Why at the flag culture?
Mba.
Akuko on a national luno.
Mba.
And when I did that on a family uno.
Mba.
When I am tell a man a family no not I get no yard, I could lot of yard.
Mba.
Anyway, here get alone or get on a bed, game Malie, Quishi somewhere. What is the
Sorry.
What is the meaning of this one?
Sorry, Mba.
I don't want this. I trust this thing.
Sorry.
So man had to pay also before now to put again a matter. And on an rumble, Gumbri, na river, or one swimming pool. Choose.
Even you wanna gamba.
Because we on them pana like heavy so called crop him.
Umokrobia.
Then I want and that was on our collar.
No.
Alahajo Yatlaja go on Agambo.
Mba.
Take up here. It's a badge out to look at like happy.
Not we are.
With the clipper called shaving big.
Shaving big.
When I started my content, when I started this kind of content, my last video, Ebonyi lost to bleaching song, brought out on social media. Nam Jugamota color panty or wogeme. Hey Budo, I was the first person that initiated this kind of content. People cut off my videos Ji ashina mne deceive umwaka Igbo. Na mne destroy umwanyi Igbo. Na mne destroy umwoke Igbo. Just say raw content. Raw content. Soropantegi, can you shape amoge? Content. But to not go make it no sense. Again. You guys cut off the video. Gia torment Zubunu. Now what is happening now? A full grown ass man is doing the same content because okay. (2019, 2016, 2017), I was doing my thing. All of you demons, apata. Ne buari my content. Ne buari him. No get me, no get me. Let me show you one of the videos. I shall wait for you in Nigeria. Ta, Susan for you get come on, this is for me. That chocolate chori, Chamonegi bugi prematurely. Jeme June, one of the content in 2017. Jeme Jigi. I don't know if Ebonyi lost song reposted it. Ebonyi lost shame on Negi. Udo ka Negi monogi shame on Negi. Because Negi mono uzu. Uzu ka Negi mono cheno mono madu. Dekwa content mo. Chere? Jeme Jigi ya.
Hey, pants again. Call a pants now again.
Good. That was the content I started 2017. That was exactly what I did. But this man and I have started the same pattern of thing. One I hear as a good thing. Amado haga kubuch all of you. All of you. Amado haga kubucham. The man and I just had hijabuga jin ugi. I was doing my thing. Having fun. People laughing. Manacho. How to draw attention. Oh, gauge. Who knows how to draw attention? Who knows how to move mountain? Oh, gauge. Unejiamusunu came to me. Now no get bring him down. Now the thing is not selling. No na post on a page. But then you guys gathered, join hands. No get no get. Oh, get maybe a room kapani. Get our people. Upon what Kibo mega here. And you get upon your pa mega here. Then I was doing my thing with a lot of ideas. Nomination. Una jiamusunu. Una evil mind. Bien. Okay, chiji pour la lumi, buke chipo jure mi bo. Le payo na bad. Me turn the bob all of you. Mama don't akubu all of you fufu. When he came on, Yakogano like this, Yakubun. No colony move of Roma. Megalo Wemo. Name Bioma, no anger, so you so. I shall get him and no get him. Okay, Bolum will become. I ahụ na mmakara m igbu unu nkịtị na-emere ihe mmeghe mgbe ahụ na-emere ihe mmeghe mgbe onye m anya bịa na-akọ inyo na-emere ihe mmeghe mgbe ahụ na-emere ihe m na-akashi ike idea, one of the powerful idea nhụrụ onye chege echiche ya mpụta Jpac eburu ozu nne ya bịa shahụ ụmụ ya emehụ m ya ji emehụ m ya ede na nna eme arụ na nna emebi ụmụ Igbo ana m emebi ụmụ Igbo gechi abịa na arụ gechi gbuolu ụmụ Igbo ị naghị abịa emezi ị naghị abịa achụzi ndị gbuga arụ ndị gbuga ụmụ Igbo kọntentị m jipụtara aka m wepụtara onwe m na-emere onwe m ihe m enwe onye m ji ụgwọ just na-emere onwe m ihe m Jpac amụsụ na ndị otu ya ogecha m ameriela ji m rie ebe m meburu ozu onwe m bịa na ọ wụọla ihe mgbe elu na ala ji erigari Chineke ga-akpọ m n'ọkụ Chineke ga-akpọ ozugbo unu niile ọkụ tile aka mebie ihe m megala onwe m onye ọla na-achọtazi ihe a ga-awa ọchị eji kliki ekwe unu ụgwọ anyway ihe m ga-eme na awa aga m ebring ya back aga m ebring stand back aga m ebring ya back mụwa aga m eweghachite ya kwadakọta ka a na-eweghachite ya na-eweta ya back na mashin ga-afọ biko ọma m ihe gbakpurukpuru ndị emekela m ihe karị otu letarịrị my brother aga m ewe awile ndị otu late ebute ego echi ihe enyemarụ ị na-emebi ụmụ Igbo anyị jem nochidisman na ọ na-eme arụ na ọnụ ga-ajụga nnọkwa ji mkpụrụ nnu na ajị amụ nnụnụ nda bụrụ unu Chineke kpọchapụ unu niile ọkụ ọ bụ mistake m mere ma wee bidoro m ihe m ozugbo unu akara m ime ụlọ ego na-emere ihe m na-eme but di m nso nọ in one particular place na-achụ oge chi buru ibu di m nso nọ one particular place na-achụ oge echi buru ibu den nkwa imi na ọnụ rinnu onye metere ya buru just a matter of time anyway that kind of content m commission again I will bring it back I ga-eweta ya back onye nweghị ya onye nweghị ya good morning onye nweghị ya I will bring it back onye nweghị so very soon about Allah because I will bring it back. We must have fun. I wanna blow up. I get very laugh fun. I get very laugh fun. This blew up. Everything goes to. So somebody, if you want to request, you can request to join. You request, I think Juju. You're probably ready to answer. If you're not ready to answer the Juju, don't join. You are in the chogadi. I'm a Junu. Henny in the durable. Walking in the chogadi man. I'm a Junu. Everything was durable. Somebody ready. Yeah, a request, you join here. Ashkola Mary Shy. Ashkola me came is my love for you grows. We thank you, my rugged queen. Good morning. So if you're ready, if you're here, ma jogging. Any nenga jugaga ni me did here. Ma papa ya jupagi. Zigzag. Because tagaram zigzag analyzer here. Anyway, one video one guy, but I think that was 2 or 3 years ago. As my friend. Zigzag again one video. Wow. That is the powerful. I was creating it, doing my thing. Everywhere next to here now. Anyway, so if you're interested, if you are searching, my good morning, how are you? It's your night. I'm fine. No. If you are interested, if you are single, you're searching, maybe pay as you go. KKK and they get request. I don't know how they talk. But depend the pattern. I'm a joke. I got juju. If you ready to answer the question, do not join. Mama, where is Oga Chema? Is the Chema on TikTok? It's good you return that chapter of your content, but in more reformed manner to captivate your audience in no immoral methodology. Okay. Oh. Good morning, my love. Please, what is the question? No, you have to request to join. I got nothing like you stay in dark. You got no dark. No more darkness. You get who get about it again. No boy. And you pipiria. You're totally sweet. How the nigga or not now? What the nigga or not? You brought one. And you pipiria. So maybe ready. I am a juggy. Ndenga jugi because you're too fine. No. Your mama too fine too. What I go? So if you're ready, and I corner, so content in why my moves of content why at this internet space. Now the only here Chineke God with multiple talents. Multiple like this. God with multiple talents like this. Imagine 2017. Hello?
Okay.
Hello, my brother.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good afternoon from Korea.
Good morning good night from here. Sorry.
See, my content again are very funny, but on are the very rugged. On are the rugged. For me, you just think I said that. You want the vibe. You special. Had special grace. You had it. You're multifaceted. Come on, only him there. Only him the buy in me. Or let me put it this way. In my hair on the face of internet. You lay this man. When he do much different from here, this man name and kin. But lay him this man. This man needs human email. Yeah, I don't know if you're trying to get the picture of what I'm saying. No, I know. I watched it. Only extreme. Oh, because to this man said, I want the first one I'm watching. Also, the one you can one off here. Just one you move small. So the man move too small. You have to worry. You know that.
My brother, that means he did not follow my content.
No, wait. Oh, if you get me, just what I am not going. So that's one. Otiria. There are mayor. You're the funny. Man, the other aspect in K, just like that one you played. The other time, maybe no tipo short yaka man. So I mean, a sound somehow. This is my observation.
My brother, wait. This man
No, I understand. I will tram that.
That is nothing different in it.
No, okay. I will tram. I want to I followed it, I watched it. And my watch here closely. Come on, that is the only aspect. Now, if you link
my brother, you are not even giving the excuse. Another time, our people have been here with raw content like that. And the thing, you can tell me
okay.
that now. My people are matabe, and the video was long video where everybody were enjoying, but they cut up the parts. And when
Yes,
they
I get it. I
giguzoro,
I get it.
ndị niile mega ihe a na-amụtara ya n'aka m maka Chineke kere mụ
I
na gị.
get it. I get it. I get
Now,
it. I get it.
enwere nke ị ga-eguli ma jụọ gị pant brag or chaga pink or chaga black
Yeah, yeah.
just to keep
I get it.
the play. People are very excited to be laughing.
Hey
But
man,
this
yeah,
group
that's
of
it's all
people,
level line on that time. You
this
understand?
group of people manipulated ihe na-enye everybody obi aṅụrị because of gịnị mụ na ha nwere misunderstanding. They use it and brainwashed people. Enweghị onye wetere powerful content ka m na this blue app.
That's against for English. Then I don't know against something.
Okay,
You know that?
that period of time, nobody brought such content on this blue app. I swear with my God. Do you not even say I can dim my eyes to be looking at you like this? It will become like my brother. I'm more talented. Oh.
I think I was telling you, I said it earlier, and I didn't see the multi-talented. So, but
I am blessed.
like somebody wrote, there a sense of humor, more humorous, become more humorous, more. I'm just saying, add
My
more
brother,
humorous. Like
there
that
are
guy said,
many more humans in my
methodologies.
content. Don't worry, I will repost that red video. You will see it. Many more women in my video. That time, so that time I will be telling you, how good are you when you're doing it? This kind of it. I add a lot of like there is nothing that is the only thing you will tell me. The only thing you will tell me that time is that our people don't know this kind of content. They,
I can the
that
myopic.
time
You
they just
understand?
like
Our people can the myopic.
who is this woman that will come out and be this bold to be doing this kind of it? That's the only thing you will tell me. Nobody add more woman than my own.
Okay, you are being too raw. If you're eating too raw, in the rest of the car, you're probably you say that even there was once you were doing it. Take it. Okay, come to this place. So,
I
I
was
think our people.
just
Only
doing
like
pure.
this. They know the people. Yeah, but the guys here, don't want to me. I'm gonna say they blame much like because they were like looking at our culture. Kumaya, a new culture that I will be what they used to. And people like the
That is the only
use
thing you will tell me. I
uh-huh.
will
So you
understand.
may yes, on that. In my Igbo culture, or let me say Nigeria. Nigeria with a culture. And culture are difficult. Get change here and may have your orientation. Very
Orientate,
difficult.
yes.
Yes,
But we are practicing social media culture. If you
yes,
don't want
yes.
to be on social media culture, when the couple here.
No, but I am Neku now. In my Iwuro nwere ngwa ahịa in let me speak English, sorry. If you are a goods owner, you sell goods or you sell items. Sometimes, like you try to kind of employ methodologies of trying to change the color of food. You
Yeah,
know,
my
so,
oh,
so you try.
rugged
so,
dude.
so you try to change the shape, the design, try to just to attract customers. When you discover that you have employed this particular methodology or system and you use the customers are not all that impressed, just like women do. When a woman is dressing on trousers and she discovers that she's not getting the attention because a woman always dresses to attract a particular set of men. Cultural. You understand? So if she does that and it's not working, she sees that she's not getting required attention, she'll now switch to changing wearing bikini or to dressing on any other time just to get attention.
The
Yes. So this is what I'm saying. Employ methodology. Do your content. Let's do it. But employ a more modest. Do it in a more modest manner. That's just my own contribution. It's
Okay,
okay, do it.
my
But do
brother.
it in a more modest.
Okay,
That's just what I'm
my
trying to
brother.
say. Thank you so
Okay, my
much.
brother. Thank you so much.
It's
I
okay.
appreciate it. Thank you so
All right.
much. Thank you. Thank you. Ezigbo mmadụ. Ezigbo mmadụ. Those days were so enticing. Oh my God. People really had fun. Babes, we are joining. Turn around. Hey, etie na lekwa shape. No, nah, these people are Totomaji that came out. Women that came out, we were having fun. Everything we are going in appropriate way. People were smiling. Those days was fun. I swear. Osas. Money to be aware. You comes in a blooming. I beg to differ. I don't understand the chisel. Beg to differ. Good morning, good morning. Hey, come and see me. Come and see man. It's really funny, man. Man is really funny, man. Why, Oma? I greet you. So if you want to request, you request. There must be questions and there must be many things how we can do it. So it's not left for you. So now, Asamomi, good morning there. Samuel, yeah, what are you doing? Soon I'll be leaving self. Because soon. How are you doing? I hope you're alright. Start again. I start to call me again. Get you start again. Start telling me already now. My plane, I'm searching. Oh, you're searching. Get a tap. How is my searching? Have we left saga? Saga no again. Saga is always the everlasting saga. We know they stop saga. But I name saga. I name content. You want to go? Ụtụtụ ọma daalụ Mark Henry ụtụtụ ọma. I'm gonna name Saga name our content. Saga has become part of us. It goes nowhere. It's part of our content. Onye ọtara n'isi adị enye ya ahụ gashi ike. You know, that's how it is. You want to go? That's how it goes. We can't leave content. We can't leave Saga. Nobody can stop reggae. Nobody can stop Saga. Nobody can stop Saga. Nobody can stop Saga. Nobody can stop Saga. Saga will go part of us, and time to go. Nobody can stop Saga. Nobody can stop Saga. And that, like, by January, nobody go to carry anybody's video again on this blue app. By January, Facebook will put restriction where you know if you carry anybody, email Facebook will cut off and shut your page down. So your content now waiting could lead you on this blue app. Man of God, they will. Now you have to learn content. When are you starting your? I don't start. I'm join life. Come jogging, and when you see if you're a woman, if you are joining my life, you got the two sex. If you're a man, you got the two sex. And ready to answer my question to a fault. Because I'm just trying to get size. I'm okay, size up or okay. And I'm agari is ya know that kind of it, and that can my jolo. Don't equal. So you know how people here they say, okay, chief, you're bringing disgrace to a church. See, my faith has nothing to do with my content. My faith has nothing to do with my Facebook content. Bring me in. You can request and I'll request. Yeah. My faith has nothing to do with my content, and who I support has nothing to do with it. This is a content too. So please don't misquote it. Jesus, you will ask size. I don't know. Size hegi. Geramawan is last how many hours? How many minutes? Could you take how many minutes? I know. I read my color hegere. That's it's gonna be forget here. You don't want the content more wambo. I can be madonna. God be queen so queen will be the rock. Chineke mechara mama me here. Them gift. Okay, how are you doing? I'm fine. Content will be back. And they be very serious. Open age baby. Very serious. Voila. Actually, guzoro. I'm not coming. Oh, this size of school, I would not answer. I don't know how to send it. Oh, you can just click here when you hear the can hear two mother born kotarono. None the below this video. Not the kahana kotarono. You just click on it. You click on it, get send their request. That's it. Oh, very serious. Very serious article here. And I be who you be come. You don't like it, you got hapo. That's what so is the way it works. So I joga juju. Urike get drop on number ya jog me how is Senator Son your friend? You hope he's not the only senator. I don't want to show Senator Son. I didn't hear na kihin. No lechonya go buga. Yes, Zuzuhari. That's Anna Senator Son. Anna Senator Son. Na ke kubana chi please me pega hotel ya tanga hu nine ke ga hu mashawo nine juru were ga hu modia maka the video pega heche na big boys ga no nga okpu ga enwuru nwa ọkụ anya asu ga ke ga hu mashawo nine ni mo were go and try it ashawo enwu konye mere mu invite o they will just go because they need customer. They believe that they ga eji aka nwujere nte hotel no nga ahụ who bomb no ebe a ga-notice m he niile nwocho ga-awa m enwe ke bara uru di ya bet me go to Owerri now ị ga na-eme mande ke notice ga ha ga force ma say picture with the video, say picture with the cheap picture go bana check picture with the rich boys. They no notice them all no nwo ka nwo para jenga mande iri manu mande iri na ashawo no bi job o ashawo ge iri mash je na ihe mego Owerri na ashawo ni na akwụọla onwe m ụgwọrụ m ashawo ni na akwụọla onwe m ụgwọrụ m ị ga-ahụcha m mgbe m kwenye dịla nwu they're just going there to hustle apụchana ị ga na-ahụ nwe nwa aha ngede ya ụfọdụ asụrụ chapant ụfọdụ asụrụ ihe enwe dị kpọrị just for you to notice them. If I like, go to Kubana. That kid ga huma shawori ne juru Owerri town. Makachi nwo pake banuru. Mandeke manama, mandeke joronjo, mandeke iroshishi, mandeke they will line up today. Go and find out. About tomorrow or time call Gebido. Ya any number. Ye me when I got mana show kwam. Engbe gi wejoku. Nga ngono should fit the video baga and the big boys guy there. Igbo ga work this time. You think it's a joke? You go and find out. Reach there. Up the barakasa. If you give them 100,000, 100,000 you on the top. 10, 20,000, 5,000. because I'm surplus. I'm surplus. Mando tula dara, mandana dara, mande joronjo, mando kodara, mande me oshishi, mande potula, mande mune BBL, mande mune takega mashe ashawo juru n'ime Owerri. Mande Shanambara, the destination gawo Cubana chief police. Mande Shinugu, bam, everything I landed there. Iye jana ke barak outlo kasa outlo barakasa tan. Awo tan echi. If I had to go no dey ga yimpuga. Yaruba mamu ogago come. Head over there, iga kuchamu. All different size. Britain. Go and try it if I'm lying. I don't know. I don't know the back. Na surplus. So that's how it is. Case of in case the teacher you about to hear guitar. Just get the suit there. And I'm a lot mundu yana. And I be the I'm a lot go home now. So if you want to apply on the program, you apply pressure, you apply pressure, apply pressure, apply pressure. You want to apply on the movie, you apply pressure. They should come on my kata. They want to go to Nigeria, then I should come and take them. And they bring them. Can meet in Nigerian man. We check them out, boy. It's been a while. Kabona have create a room contents. All time. Now guys, let me get ready. My time is up. See you on.